Hi, my toddler friends and families. This week on the activity we are doing race car driving. Woo! So for this activity, I grabbed a board. This is just a placemat we use. So I'm using that as my ramp. And I have this as my steady little wall type of thing. I mean, you can use a wall, you can use whatever you want. And my cat's here to help me out. How fun, right? So for this race car activity, I'm gonna set my ramp up like this. Now you see how it's slanted, just so our cars can zoom down. Now we're gonna see if they go fast, if they go slow, and how far they go. Let's see. So I'm gonna take my car. You can use a race car, you can use a big car, you can use a monster truck. We can test it out with as many cars as you want. I just have my simple Lego car here, so I'm gonna put it at the top and let's see how far it goes. Oh my gosh, that didn't go far at all, guys. So you think with it being farther up that it doesn't go far? Do you think we should try to shift it and see if we can move it to make it go farther or faster? Let's try what happens if we put it down just a little bit, like right there. Now I can hold it, and you can have your moms and your dads hold it, or whoever you want hold it, you can hold it. Or if it stays, you can keep it staying. So here we go. I'm gonna use my new car, and let's see. Oh, that one went so much farther because we moved it just a little bit. Now I wonder how far you guys can move it down to see how far your cars go, or if your cars are faster or slower or anything at all. And while you're doing this, we'll be learning about observations, we'll be tracking to see how far they go. You can learn about numbers if you want to track the numbers on the floor just to see how far. You can learn about so many things. And when you're doing this, we would really appreciate it if you guys could take pictures so we could see you guys having fun doing this activity. And I'll see you guys next time.